for quite a while now. Okay, have gotten a little bit about a bounce here from the bear market, but let's see here. Let's get this thing off log. There you go. Well, you can see it has just been on the bottom and on the bottom. Wish I would have got in. Wish I would have stacked some more up down here at 0.013. All right, because I don't believe we're going that low again. Okay, you can see right now this thing is up at a 50% retracement. We're going to take a look at some RSIs here in a second, but I believe this is just the beginning for Vechain here for a run up. All right, over here on the volume, the market cap is 1.58 billion. Volume over the last 24 hours is down 11.83% at $40 million. And one of the biggest reasons I think this thing is going to go is if, Vechain and the rest of the market is tied in with Bitcoin, right? Okay. Well, look what Bitcoin's doing today. Look at it. Let's put it on a daily. Look at this nice big green candle. This is the number up here, 38,500 bucks. Bitcoin breaks that, and things are going to get crazy. All right. The daily RSI is almost reset on Bitcoin. The weekly is at 100. The monthly is still going up at a 90 and an 81. And we all know what the market does. The market runs with Bitcoin, all right? So if Bitcoin can break above that 38,500 bucks, that's this area right over here, this former support area. That's going to flip that into support, and this thing's really going to get going. All right, now as far as Vechain goes, let's get a look here, okay? Because it's getting to the RSIs are getting to some areas where we really need it, okay? The monthly, look at this monthly RSI. Let me open this up. The monthly RSI is at a 55. Look at this thing. Beautiful. Lots of room to come up. The weekly is at a 96 and a 98. All right, a little bit of a correction here on the weekly. The daily is just about reset again. It's at a 6 and a 10. Right down at the bottom here, just about reset and ready to head back up. The 12-hour is just turning back up, okay? There you go. All right, that first resistance level is at 0.02312. All right, we break through that and we're on our way here. The 8-hour is just turning up. All right, so let's look at some support and resistance areas. We have major support right down here at 0.0199. And that major resistance up there, that first resistance, is at 0.0231. Now if we go out on the weekly, let's go on the monthly actually, and look and see where this next, if we break through this 0.0231, the next area most likely for us to be headed to would be right up here. Okay, that would be, let's turn it yellow. That would be up at 0.0249, roughly 0.025, 2.5 cents. All right, then if we get through there, right up here would be your next area at 0.027. All right, I believe this support down here at 0.0199 is absolutely going to hold. You can see it on the 4-hour here. That has been a very, very solid area here, okay? So watch for that as support. If we break through the 0.023, watch for 0.024 to come in next, all right? With all these RSIs, the 12-hour at the bottom, the 8-hour is at the bottom, the daily is just about reset, and the monthly is still heading up. I believe Vechain is in for a pretty decent run here, okay? If we put a fib on here, usually you get to at least a 618 or 702. Look how these line up perfectly, almost perfectly with our support and resistance areas. All right, and you can even adjust this a little bit. I mean, it could have been down. That could be about right there. That's the 50% that we got stopped at. That's 618. Let's stretch that out a little bit so we can see it a little bit better. We'll just pull it over here so we can see the numbers better. All right, that 618 is at 2.5 cents. That lines up with the 0.024 pretty good. And the 702 is at 0.0268. We get through the 0.0284, that's the 786, then we're looking at higher prices. Okay, then we'd be moving this up to this level. We get through those areas, and then we're moving it up to this level. Okay, so it could really start getting exciting pretty soon. All right, got to break these first areas first, but Vechain is looking fantastic, just like the rest of the market. Really, everything looks good. All right, guys, thanks a lot. Please hit the like and subscribe. For $14.99, you can get my trading videos, a level 3 membership, over 7 hours of videos, 17 videos to teach you how to trade. All right, so check into it. Thanks a lot.